and in this section we'll talk about Reiki for pregnancy. Reiki can do no harm as a treatment modality, and so a client who's pregnant is able to receive this healing energy for themselves and for their developing baby. It's always important in any Reiki treatment to ask the permission of both mother and child. And whether or not you hear the answer of the child is up to the particular session. But a pregnant woman requires more rest, and Reiki promotes rest and relaxation. The developing fetus also is nurtured and revitalized by the energy that's transmitted by a practitioner. Many pregnant women also are able to receive Reiki attunement and learn the practice of Reiki for themselves to help them and their baby as they go along. In the next section, we'll talk about Reiki music.